Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to fix Google Ads being disapproved. So it's basically due to policy violations. For example, what happens is when you have a policy violation, they want you to basically review the specific policy that you violated and basically fix the ad to get it running again. And once you fix your ad, they will review the ad and basically allow it to run if it's actually compliant with the policy. And also the duration of this policy restriction is actually permanent. And also the territorial restriction is global, meaning the restriction is not, location specific. It is global unless they otherwise specify it. And also, while you have been restricted and if your ad has been disapproved due to issues in your destination, then you need to fix your destination and then appeal. And if you review the policy and you believe that your ad is actually compliant with the policy, then you just have to go ahead and do an appeal. They'll check it out, and if it's okay, they will reinstate your ad. Really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided some value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.